Hello there. So you want to know how you can back up Viber chats? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. You can back up Viber messages through automatic cloud backups like Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone, or by manually emailing messages or message history for individual chats. To create a cloud backup, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and look for account, or on your iOS, simply go ahead and head into your apps and then look for Viber. Tap on that. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, what you want to do is simply go ahead and have background refresh apps turned on. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your Apple ID and then head into your iCloud and just simply go ahead and click on backup now right over here on iCloud backup. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it